Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. It's our lesson number 12. In our today's lesson we will do essay A Rainy Day. Before we begin our today's lesson, we need to have material like lead pencil, eraser, highlighter, blue marker, blue pen, ruler and English notebook. Dear students, before we start, we will see what is our learning objective of today's lesson. That is to read and understand the essay A Rainy Day. And learning outcome will be writing the essay in notebook. As you people can see an image taken from page number 3 of your winter pack, you can see an essay is given here, A Rainy Day. Topic of the essay is A Rainy Day. Today we are going to write down this essay in our notebooks. So all of you prepare your title page, write down essay A Rainy Day. So let's start writing our essay. Write down day, date, draw margin line. Write down today's task. Our topic is essay A Rainy Day. Before we start writing, make sure you people have drawn margin line. Now you need to do very neat handwriting. Let's start. Some people feel the rain. Others just get wet. It's a very good impression when we start a piece of writing with a quotation. So here we have our starting quotation, that is, some people feel the rain, others just get wet. Rain is an amazing natural phenomenon which has been there since the life came into existence on earth. Water vapors which evaporate constantly result in the formation of clouds. Here you can see how the clouds are made, how the clouds are formated. When the clouds get concentrated with water, they result in precipitation. This cycle repeats itself again and again, and the water bodies of earth remain flowing with water, never gets emptied. Here you can see this part of essay is telling you how the rain gets started, how the rain gets developed in the clouds. Dear students, we will continue our essay with another quotation, that is, rain showers my spirit and waters my soul. It was an average sizzling and burning day of July. Everyone was exhausted, tired, and worn out due to the intense heat. The sky was brilliant blue due to the ever bright sun. There were no signs of clouds or shade. The plants were dried. Heat was steaming out of everything. The animals had all lied down, nearly fainted. All of a sudden, the clouds started gathering in the sky. The golden sunlight disappeared and everything became silvery grey. So what you have got from this paragraph? It was an average sizzling and burning day of July. That the day of July was really hot. हर कोई थका हुआ था, ठीक है, गर्मी की वजह से इंतहाई शिद्दत वाली गर्मी थी. द स्काई वॉज ब्रिलियंट ब्लू, और जो आसमान है वो आम दिनों की तरह चमकते सूरज के साथ ब्लू कलर का था. देयर वर नो साइंस ऑफ क्लाउड और शेड. ना तो बारिश की कोई उम्मीद नज़र नहीं आ रही थी, ना क्लाउड्स थे और ना ही कोई शेड था. द प्लांट्स वर ड्राइड. प्लांट्स बिल्कुल सूखे हुए थे, खुश्क थे. हीट वॉज स्टीमिंग आउट ऑफ एवरीथिंग. हर चीज़ से निकलती नज़र आ रही थी, गर्माइश, गर्मी, हीट निकलती हुई नज़र आ रही थी. The animals had all lied down. सारे animals almost they were about to faint. Almost they were lied down. लेटे हुए थे. Fine. All of a sudden the clouds started gathering in the sky. Then suddenly, what happened? What happened suddenly? The cloud started gathering in the sky. The golden sunlight disappeared and everything became silvery grey. एकदम से सूरज की रोशनी जो है वो ख़त्म हो गई, किरणें एकदम से डिसअपियर हो गई and everything became silvery grey. That means के बादल आ गए हर तरफ. Dear students, write down today's task on every page and draw margin line. Now we will continue with our essay. There was roaring sound of the thunder and it started raining. It means कि बादलों के गरजने की आवाज़ के साथ ही बारिश शुरू हो गई. ठीक है. The rain continued for 2 hours. The warmth of weather finished and a cool breeze was blowing. Human beings and other creatures became alive again. ऐसा लग रहा था कि सारे के सारे लोग, ह्यूमन बींग्स, एनिमल्स, सब लोग दोबारा से जिंदा हुए. ठीक है. They became fresh. That means everything was shiny and clear, crystal clear. Everything was shiny and crystal clear. आपने देखा है, कभी फील किया है कि बारिश होने के बाद दरख्त, हर चीज़ ऐसे लगता है कि बिल्कुल धुल के साफ हो गई है. ठीक है. डर्ट उसकी ख़त्म हो गई है. Then out of nowhere, the stunning, miraculous and awe-inspiring. Awe-inspiring means it's like an expression of wonder, feeling wonderful or feeling wonder. The stunning, miraculous and awe-inspiring rainbow appeared in the sky. कभी देखी आपने रेनबो बनी हुई? Okay, here rainbow, they are talking about that the rainbow was there. ठीक है. बारिश के बाद वहां पे रेनबो बन गई. It was like someone had painted an arc of 7 brilliant colors in the sky. ऐसा लग रहा था कि किसी ने आसमान पे एक कर्व शेप की एक जो है वो रेनबो बना दी है, पेंट कर दी है स्काई में. The sight was magical. A famous poet and writer, William Henry Davies says, the rainbow gave the birth and left thee all her lovely hues. ठीक है. The writer is expressing his own views about rainbow. कि कैसा व्यू होता है रेनबो का. आप एक बहुत ज़बरदस्त एक लवली व्यू होता है उसका. ह्यूज़ होते हैं, बहुत अच्छे कलर्स होते हैं उसके. ठीक है. My dad called everyone in the lounge. He had planned for a picnic. We all became very excited. We enjoyed ourselves and spent the day with full zest and zeal. With full zest and zeal. That means बहुत excitement से. Because we all know that it does not rain every day and every day is not a rainy day. आप भी enjoy करते हैं ना बारिश के मौसम को. Okay, the ending quotation is here. After rain cometh fair weather. कि बारिश के बाद हमेशा बहुत खुशगवार मौसम हो जाता है. Dear students, we are done with our today's lesson. Now I'm going to assign you task to do. That is learn and write essay A Rainy Day. I hope you people have learnt a lot from today's lesson. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.